Okay, we've just completed the first 14 days of seasoning using pouches. These are 84% pouches, and I thought it'd be interesting to cut one or two of them open and see what's inside. So I can feel that it's starting to harden a little bit. I can feel like it's like granular kind of material in there. So let me open it up. And let's see what we get. Yeah, it's like a jelly. Like goop. So, if you can see that or not, it almost feels like there's sand in it or something a little bit, or salt. It's probably salt. It smells a little bit, like a chemical type of smell, but I can't really place it. But it's definitely got a grit to it, and it's really slimy. So this is what's in a pouch, in case you're curious. Now you know.